Right from the heart of London, it's the sparkling diamond herself, Mrs. Saturn Rouge.
I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose to claim it. It was dark, and I was over, until you kissed my lips and you saved me.